Hello everyone. Today we discuss the practical number 3 and the title of the practical number 3 is program to draw line using Bresenham's drawing algorithm. Okay. So we write a program to draw a line by using the Bresenham's algorithm. Okay. We know the Bresenham's algorithm, that is the Bresenham's line algorithm determines the point of n-dimensional raster that is selected to form the close approximation to the straight line between the 2 points. Okay, so we determine the close approximation, okay, so that the close point of the line. Okay, so it is used to draw the line primitives in a bitmap image. Here the procedure is first input the two line endpoints, storing the left endpoint x0 y0 and plot the point. Okay, then calculate the constant, that is delta x and delta y, then 2 delta y, that is 2 into delta y minus 2 into delta x, and get the first value for the decision parameter. Here we find out the decision parameter, that is p0 is equal to 2 dy minus 2 dx. Okay, so after that fourth point is the first point is the initialize the point, that is x0 y0, then second is plot the point, third is the to calculate the delta x delta y and the decision parameter value. Then after that we write the condition, that is if the pk, that is decision parameter is less than 0, then we increment the x point and calculate the e, that is decision parameter is equal to e plus 2 into delta y. Otherwise, if the decision parameter is greater than 0, then we increment both the x and y value and calculate the decision parameter, that is e is equal to e plus 2 into dy minus 2 into dx, and repeat the step 4, that is delta x time. Okay, so here is the program of the practical number 3, that is here we write the header files, that is hash include stdio, that is standard input output, then console input output, then include dos.h, then include graphics.h. Okay, so here we use a function, that is wide line brace, and we pass the argument in it, that is int, that is we pass only the integer value, not the floating value. Okay, we only pass the integer value in it. Okay, then after that wide main is used, and then we declare the int x1 y1 xn and yn. Okay, then int gd, that is we gd, that is we need the gd, that is graphics driver and the graphics mode. These two value are needed to draw our or display the output, that is this gd and gm. By using this gd, we the graphics, that is programmer is by using this graphics driver, they automatically detect the driver, that is graphics driver, and use that driver. Okay, so that gd is equal to detector and the gm, that is graphics mode, we first initialize that, and after that init graph is used. Init graph function is used to initialize the graphics mode and the graphics driver, that is and gd and gm. Okay, and we here we write the path where the graphics program is stored. Okay, that is we write here path, that is C, turbo C3 and the BGI, that is the graphics BGI. Basically this script program is stored in the bin folder. Here in the graphics program are stored in a BGI folder. Okay, so here then write the function, that is printf and scanf. Here the printf is used for the enter the starting coordinates, that is x1 and y1, and scan that coordinates, that is accessing that x1 and y1 coordinates. Then after that printf enter the ending coordinate, that is xn and yn coordinate. Okay, so then again we used the line brace function, that is here the x1 y1 xn yn. Okay, these these four are used, that is x1 y1 xn yn variable are used in a line brace, that is, and after that we write the guess stage function. Okay, then here we call this wide line brace function, that is we declare the int x1 int y1 and then int xn and int yn. This function is called here, this function is firstly initialized and then here it is called this function, that is wide line brace int x1 int y1 then xn and yn. Then after that we calculate the dx and dy, that is dx is equal to xn minus x1 and dy is equal to yn minus y1, that is ending minus first and ending minus starting, and here is also ending minus starting. Okay, then after that int di is equal to 2 into dy minus dx. Here is a di is equal to decision variable, okay, decision parameter, and the formula of the decision parameter is equal to di is equal to 2 into dy minus dx. Then after that here is a int ds, that is ds is equal to 2 into dy and dt is equal to 2 into dy minus dx. Okay, this ds and dt is used in here, in this is condition. Okay, so after that the put pixel function is used, that is x1 y1 byte. Then there is a condition, that is there is a loop here, that is while loop is used, that is x1 is less than is equal to xn. If this condition is true, then control goes to the next condition. Okay, then after that then we check if the di is less than 0, if the decision parameter is less than 0, then we increment the x1 value, not the y1, increment only x value and find out the next decision parameter value, that is di is equal to di plus ds. Here ds is equal to 2 into dy. Okay, means the formula is di is equal to di plus 2 into dy. Else, that is, if the decision parameter is greater than 0, then the y1 value is increased and the calculate the decision parameter value, that is di is equal to di plus dt. Okay, here dt means here 2 into dy minus dx. So the formula is di is equal to di plus 2 into dy minus dx. Okay, so this is condition is applicable only if the x1 is less than xn, then this condition is then control goes to the in this parenthesis. Okay, so in this statements, so if this condition is false, then control goes to the get ch. Okay, so here is the if this while loop is true, this condition is true, then control goes to this condition and check this condition, that is if di is less than 0, then increment x1 and calculate the decision parameter value. Else, if the di is greater than 0, then calculate the y value is increasing and the calculate the di value, that is di is equal to di plus dt. Okay, then put pixel x1 and y1 and red. Here is delay is the delay function is used for the certain interval, that is here we put the intervals by using the delay. Okay, then here is the output, that is enter the starting coordinates, that is 200 and enter the ending coordinate 300 and here is the line is draw, that is the red color. Here we put the red color, that is put pixel x1 y1 and the red color. Okay, this is the red color. If any doubt in this, please contact me. Okay, first of all, once again I explain this. Okay, here the function is used, that is while line brace, and the argument are passed in it. Then after that we initialize the variable, that is declaration the variable int x1 y1 xn yn. Then after that graphics mode and graphics driver is initialized, and after that init graph is initialized, that is init graph is used, here is the path is provided. Then after that printf scanf, that is then accessing the x1 value and y1 value and also the xn and yn value. Then this function is called, that is while line brace function is called, and after that we put here is a condition, that is the to draw a line by using the Bresenham's line drawing. Okay, if in this practically doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you so much.